Good evening, everyone. I'm back with another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel is called Dollars Make Sense, and you will find videos that teach you how to make money online with my channel. Thank you for, joining. Thank you for, tuning into this video. Like I said, if you're new, make sure you hit the like button, share this video, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay? So in today's video, we're going to talk about swag bucks, how you earn on swag bucks, and just little things you guys can do to earn swag bucks. Okay? Now, swag bucks is very popular. I've been a part of it for a long time. I don't use it on a regular basis, but after what I found out today, I think I'm going to. I just find out new things every day. I was watching a video on YouTube about it, and I found something interesting out because I was looking for a different way to cash out, and I have enough points to cash out right now, but what I wanted to cash out, it wasn't what they didn't have the amount that I was looking for. And as I was scrolling through, I found the amount, and I'm going to share that with you guys. Okay. So like I said, this is where you guys can sign up, click join today if you're not a member, and you can get paid to watch videos, shop, take surveys, play games, and you'll get credited for it. You can even search the web, okay? And this is the stuff they offer here. They offer Amazon, they offer PayPal, Walmart gift cards, Visa gift cards, all that. So let's get into the site. Okay, here we are on my dashboard, you guys. Alrighty then. So you can see up here I have 1,313 swag bucks, and that is just for me doing some of these surveys. You get disqualification points, 1 point, and you will, if you do the surveys, if you guys are consistent with this, like right now, it's giving you a limited time bonus. Like you'll earn 100 swag bucks plus 20 swag bucks. This goes on every now and again. Okay, so you might want to take advantage of this when it's happening because it doesn't happen every day. It's just random. So when you have this, when they're telling you can earn 75 swag bucks plus more swag bucks to double your amount of points, I would do it. Like I'm telling you guys right now, I've done it and it actually credited me points, and I was shocked because sometimes it says guaranteed swag bucks and you're guaranteed to qualify for the survey. So let's click on this and let's look at it. Click on answer here. This is the first thing you guys want to do on this site. When you first come on here, you can do, wait, let's back up here. You can, hold on. Okay, anyways, sorry about that. I thought found something else. Okay, your survey profile. You can earn 2 swag bucks for every 10 questions that you answer. Which of the following devices do you use to play games? Okay, you can answer it for every 10 questions you answer, you get 2 swag bucks, okay? Whether it's 2 swag bucks, 1 swag buck, 5 swag bucks, you guys really want to not be picky. You guys, I know you want the big swag bucks, but understand something. You're gonna have to invest money in trial offers to get the big swag bucks. And if you're not willing to do that, I suggest you just keep it simple and do the swag buck surveys, okay? These ones are worth your time. I've done it already, okay? When this time's out, that's it. There's not going to be a limited time bonus swag bucks until they decide to do it again, okay? Now, you guys can come through and do all these surveys here. See? Look at all these. Normally there's a lot more than that, but right now, because I think that it's going to be ending soon, there's a lot more surveys. So you guys can earn 1 point if you don't qualify for the survey. And since you have a whole bunch of them, I wouldn't be worried about why it's a low amount. It's 1 swag buck for every survey you disqualify from. Okay. Now that's the first thing you want to do when you come on here. The second thing, let's go back to the dashboard. And this is just a routine that I do. You guys can do whatever routine you want. This is a routine I'm showing you that works because look at how many swag bucks I have. Okay, so you can refer people too. Don't forget to refer people here. Okay, so it says you and your referral get a 300 swag buck bonus when your referral earns 300 swag bucks within their first 30 days. Okay, plus you'll also earn 10% of their swag buck earnings for the life of their account. So for as long as they are members of swag bucks, you will be earning 10% of their swag bucks for as long as they're a member. Okay. Now this right here is new. 100 swag bucks bonus. Get an extra 100 swag bucks when someone you prefer adds the swag button on their laptop or desktop. Okay. So share your swag button referral URL. I didn't know this was here. Okay. So this is new. So I'm probably going to be leaving this link in the description as well. If you guys wanted to install the swag buck button, you're welcome to do that. But that's another thing you can do. You can refer your friends. Let's go back to the dashboard again. So the first thing you want to do is come on here and knock out those surveys. The second thing you want to do is start referring your friends. You really want to start referring your friends. And what else? Let's see here. Let's go to watch. And I'm showing you the stuff I learned just from doing YouTube research, you guys. I watched one video, it talked about this, and I'm telling you exactly what you should do on here. This is a routine I would follow. Like I said, Swagbucks is not really something I do every day, but I'm probably going to start. Okay, so let's go back. Hold on one second. Sponsored videos. Oh, go back. Sorry, I was looking for something specific, and I think I just saw it. Give me a second. Okay, here it is. When you guys go to the watch section, you want to click on sponsored videos. Okay? Click on sponsored videos. I'm just showing you guys what I learned, okay? And you want to do this one. You earn swag bucks, 2 swag bucks for everyone that you watch, okay? And this is 1 swag buck. So you earn 1 swag buck for every single one that you watch, okay? Okay, so, and don't get me wrong, yeah, I know 2 swag bucks is nothing, but understand it's something when you guys are trying to make money, okay? So now that we've talked about that, let's go ahead and get into why I wanted to what I really wanted to show you, the redeem section. Now, we're going to click on the redeem section here. Let's wait till it loads. Pay attention, you guys. You really want to pay attention to this, okay? You really, really, really want to pay attention to this. Because I was just doing the surveys, and that's, So let's go ahead and let's do this here. Okay, so some of these are going to be on sale. Some of them aren't, okay? Now, I'm not really interested in the pizza and all this other stuff. I'm just going to scroll down here and look. It says rewards that are on sale. Visa gift cards. You don't have to get up to 1,000 points. It's 990 swag bucks. For a $25 gift card, it's 2,175 points. So let's go. Let's keep going. Let's see. Okay, let's scroll down here. Here we go. We got everything else here. We got 2,500 points equals $25 to PayPal. Now, what I wanted to show you was you guys can cash out a lower amount to PayPal just for having a certain amount of swag bucks. And this is how you find that out. Okay? If you do not want to wait until you get to 2,500 points, you don't have to. Okay? You scroll down here where it says gift cards you can afford now. Okay? It tells you right now, look at this. $10 Amazon gift card for 1,000 swag bucks. A $5 gift card, 500 swag bucks. $1 gift card for Amazon, 160 swag bucks. Okay, and you just do this. Starbucks, I'm sorry. You got Starbucks $5 gift card for 500 points. Now, I found this today. I don't even know if I seen this or not, or if I was looking over it. I don't know. But $5 for PayPal, and it's only worth 700 swag bucks. Okay, so you guys just gift cards you can afford now is what you need to look under, and you'll find the $5 PayPal cash. Okay, now for tuning into this video as long as you have, for staying this long and watching this video, I have a couple of free gifts in the description I want you guys to check out, and it's just my way of saying thank you for watching all my videos and subscribing to my channel, and I'm grateful I was able to help you guys make money with it. Okay. And I will be cashing this $5 out, and I will come back and make a pay improve video when that happens. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a video. Take care.